I'm going to talk about is this transparent to this remove background. So you can choose anyone that you want. I'm going with this transparent, the one that said transparent, for example. So I'll click on it and then click on the picture that I want to select, the picture that I want to make transparent. So I can scroll up to, I don't know, where I'm going to see a picture that has not been edited. For example, I can select this picture here, this particular picture here. So it's going to automatically remove the background. So you can see the background has been removed automatically, and to be very, very, very perfect. So you can try to readjust if you feel there's any adjustment, but for me this is very, very perfect. I can click on this check here to mark it that it's okay. Or before you check, you make sure you download. If you need the png, click here. So it has been downloaded successfully. So I can just click on this check here. So when I click on this check or that mark, so it's going to show me I have a layer here, just like Photoshop layer. So this is a transparent background, and then this is this picture here on it. Then I can start editing if I want to. So you can see if I click on this, I can do many things, add another photo, add a text and the rest. These ones you should be able to do all these things by yourself.